All right, my beautiful friends, we have to talk. Seriously, lots of stuff going on. It's just so amazing to me, so interesting. And you want to have your mind blown? Let's start off with that. Go to my website, traderschoice.net, and go have a look at the bond market chart. I'm not even going to give you a clue because I want you to see it for yourself, but just be ready because it's pretty it's pretty incredible. You know, let's start off with the basics as usual. As I am doing this video blog, no one, not one of you, is surprised. There was a full-blown rally here on Wall Street. I explained to you several days ago, during the rally, look for a pullback, which we had yesterday, and that would be a buying opportunity. Well, again, stocks are off to the races here. But that does not mean in any way, shape, or form that we are out of the woods yet with regard to the debt market or the bond market. It's a freaking disaster area. You got the 30-year right now yielding less than the federal funds rate. I mean, that says it all to me. And a 2 to 10 inversion is coming yet again. And Navarro can deny it all he wants. It's going to happen again. And when it does, let's hear what comes out of its mouth. He's another it. You know, we have the yellow stain. We have a whole bunch of its floating around here. How about this one? Also, a few days ago, I explained to you that you should be looking for a pullback in cryptocurrencies. Well, that's happening now. Yeah, it is kind of frightening, isn't it? I do know this market. There's no doubt about it. Anyway, so in my opinion, this is a buying opportunity. I explained to you in that video why we should look for a pullback in cryptocurrencies. Again, it's occurring right now. And if I'm telling you here that I think it's a buying opportunity, you could more than likely expect that I'm correct. Now, with regard to precious metals, we're under a little pressure right now, nothing major. But again, every single dip, and I mean this, every single one with regard to gold and silver, you gotta smile from here till, like, I don't know, across the country, because we know what they must do. They have no choice but to cut rates, massive debt inflation like you cannot believe. Forever bonds are coming. I mean, it's unbelievable. Forever bonds, just so you know, right now, if you're watching CNBC, they're talking about it. Jim Cramer is actually kind of, you know what, I'm not even going to talk about Jim Cramer. All right, I'm just not going there right now. But anyway, I'm sure most of you are aware of this guy, and he all right, look, I'm going to say this. He seems to be falling into the rat hole here, and I just don't like it. I don't like it. Bothers me a little bit. Okay, anyway, with that said, so what we got going on here, pretty straightforward. We have a rally on Wall Street. No surprise, you knew it was coming. Told you yesterday would be a buying opportunity. Guess what it was? Told you several days ago, cryptocurrencies look for a pullback. Boom, here it is. This is also a buying opportunity. Look for every possible reason to buy precious metals. Don't even think about it anymore. You should allocate funds every single month with whatever you got left over into precious metals. I can promise you, and I'm going to be right on this, world leaders, along with their respective central banks, they're in bed together. Like you have no idea. Maybe you do if you follow this blog. They will make sure we get a series of rate cuts. They will make sure we'll go negative at one point here in the United States. We already have negative yielding debt. If you base it against the actual rate of inflation, it's incredible. It really is. But people don't open their mouths. They just sit there like sheep to be sheared. That's okay. Let them play their game. We're going to play our game. But that's all I have to say with regard to this. Every opportunity that metals drop is a buying opportunity of the highest order. They will inflate. They will inflate, and again, they will inflate. And we haven't seen anything yet, like I've been explaining this to you. All right. Bond market is a disaster area of beyond epic proportions. And watch for how that's going to play out moving forward, and listen for the spins, too. It's just too stupid. It really is absolutely unbelievable. And just lastly, go have your mind blown just for a second. My website, traderschoice.net. There's a link in the description of this video. Right below the chat room, you're going to see the bond market chart. Go look at it. Just look at it and enjoy. That's all I have to say, because it is freaking epic. One more announcement before I let you go. All right, how do I put this? Last night, I informed Greg Hunter, who I love. I love the guy, I really do. But I will not be appearing on his show anymore. Again, this is my choice. Greg and I remain the best of friends. I want you all to know that. He's a great guy. He really is. I just don't think that, in good conscience, at this point, I can appear on his show anymore. I just want to let you all know that. But remember, Greg and I are tight. We're great friends, and we will remain that way. With that said, I love you all. And I love you too, Greg Hunter. That's the truth. I'm out of here. See you at the end of the day.